Welcome to Melody Bar. Let's learn the B chord. First of all, for the B chord, you do not play the low E string. You're going to bar from the A string all the way across to the high E string on the 2nd fret. You can put your finger onto the E string as well, but we're not going to play the E string. Maybe mute the low E string, or you can actually still bar it as long as you don't play it. You put your 2nd finger on the 4th fret of the D string. You put your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and you put your 4th finger on the 4th fret of the B string. The B chord is quite a tricky chord because your fingers are quite stretched out, but just stick with it and you will get there in the end. And there you have the B chord. If you got something from that video, please check out Melody Bar's other videos, like this one right here. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Melody Bar, music for everyone.